Welcome to this video. Today our topic is masculine and feminine. Let's start this video. Father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, boy, girl, nephew, nice, actor, actress, husband, wife, son, daughter, master, mistress, groom, bride, prince, princess, king, queen, sir, madam, bull, cow, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress, fox, vixen, horse, mare, peacock, peahen, he-wolf, she-wolf, Joan, queen, Jax, Janet, Busks, Doy, Gender, Goose, Drake, Duck, Boar, Show, Cob, Male, Female, Boar, Saw, Author, Authoress, Count, Countess, Poet, Poetess, Stepford, Stupidest, Horse, Horse, Hero, Heiress, Bachelor, Vegan, Waiter, Waitress, Landlord, Landlady, Governor, Governors, Monk, When, Tailor, Tailoress. Thank you for watching this video.